Hello everyone, welcome back again to EduSite. I hope you are doing very well. In the previous video, we have studied 3 rules for the system of Roman numerals. Now, in this video, we will discuss the left 2 rules and some other important things to write a Roman numeral. बच्चों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस टॉपिक की फर्स्ट वीडियो नहीं देखी है, then please watch it and then come to this video. I hope you remember these 3 rules. Now we will move on to rule number 4. बच्चों, आपने नोट किया होगा कि मैं ये टेबल आपको शो कर रही हूँ while explaining every rule, right? So it will be easy for you to see the corresponding Roman numerals for each of these numbers, right? And rule number 4, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the symbol of greater value. In the previous rule, we have studied the right hand side, right? The symbol on the right hand side and the value gets added. Now here we will study the symbols on left hand side and the values will be subtracted. Take an example here, IV. What is written here in the first part? Read the first part first. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value. See, the greater value is for V, right? It is 5 and for I it is 1, right? So the smaller symbol is written on the left of the greater symbol, right? Then the values will be subtracted. Simply subtract. That is 5 minus 1. It will be 4. So this Roman numeral for 4 is IV. Got it? Take another example. I am writing here only. XL. X is for 10 and L is for 50. You know that. You can see in the table. Right? See, the symbol for smaller value is written on the left side of the greater symbol. Right? So, simply subtract the values. 50 minus 10, which is 40. That means the Roman numeral for 40 is XL. Take one more example, XC. X is for 10, C is for 100. So subtract 10 from 100. It will be 90. Student, these two Roman numerals XL and XC are frequently used in the questions of Roman numerals. Now come to rule number 5. The symbols V, L, D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. What it says? Remember rule number 4. When a symbol is written on the left of the greater symbol, then they will be subtracted, right? It means V, L, D are never subtracted. They can never be written on the left of the greater symbol. This is not possible. It is meaningless Roman numeral. Right? Similarly, L cannot be written on the left of a greater symbol like this. It is also wrong. C is greater than L, right? Similarly, D cannot be written on the left side of the greater symbol. It is also meaningless. It means V, L, D are never subtracted. Right? Left side में लिखने का मतलब ही यही है कि subtraction हो रही है. That's why he has written here, that is VLD are never subtracted. So VLD पर दो restrictions हो गई. VLD are never subtracted and in rule number 2 we have studied VLD are never to be repeated. Right? So remember this. So with this we have studied 5 rules to write the Roman numerals. Now let us discuss more about Roman numerals. There are some points to remember. A Roman numeral is only subtracted from its two successive numerals in the table. For example, if I take a Roman numeral I is for 1. The successive numerals of I is V as well as X, right? So I can only be subtracted from V and X. Subtraction means I should be written on the left hand side, right? हम left में लिखेंगे I को, V के left में and X के left में. That means I should only be subtracted from V and X. It's two successive numerals, right? Now move on to next fixed Roman numeral, which is V. And you have studied in the rule V can never be subtracted. So move on to next X. X can only be subtracted from L and C. It's two successive numerals. That is, X can be written on the left of L and left of C only. X can never be subtracted from D or M. XD or XM are not possible. These are meaningless. Similarly, I forgot to tell you, IL, IC, ID and IM are also not possible. Okay. Next, move on to L. L can never be subtracted, right? Next is C. C can be subtracted from D and M. There are no other fixed numerals. So, CD and CM are possible to write. So, these are 6 cases in subtraction form. So, let us take a look what we have discussed today. We have discussed 2 rules to write the Roman numerals. Also, we have discussed which subtraction cases are possible and which are not. So, see you soon in the next video, in which we will try to convert some numbers into Roman numerals and will practice some examples. Okay then, bye bye, take care and keep learning.